Ang daming mabibili dito, no? Frozen.
Food
Dog.
drinks.
Yeah.
Dad, why did you move back?
Ayan guys, tingnan nyo dito guys. Ay, mabibili dito guys, no? Is it dog food? Puppy. Dito naman guys ang mga meat nila. Ay, kung pwede kang bumili ng ano, below half price, dal. Grass-fed rump, below half price. It says below half price. Ito yung mga meat nila guys. Ang dami-dami dito guys, no?